This is the Tapo C110 Home Security Wi-Fi camera. It has ultra high definition video with advanced night vision. It has motion detection and notifications with sound and light alarm. It features a two-way audio and have a safe storage. It is easy to set up and manage with the Tapo app. Let's unbox. These are the items in box. So this is the camera, and at the side you can see there's a card slot for the micro SD card. It supports up to 256 gigabytes with the reset pinhole. Let's plug in the power into the camera. You can plug in over here. With the camera power on, let's start up the Tapo app. If you need the app, simply download from Play Store. Tap on the plus icon at the top right hand corner and add device. Select indoor cameras. Select Tapo C110. You can see that the LED is blinking red and green. Let's connect. Select Technology Tips 2.4 GHz. Enter the password for your wireless network. After keying in your password, go to Next.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
Let's name our device. We'll leave it as Tapo C110 camera. This will be placed in the living room. You can choose an icon for your Tapo device. We'll leave it as is. The setup is complete. You can get a 30 days free of unlimited cloud storage. We'll dismiss. You can set up a local storage if you have got the SD card. For now, we'll skip. For the firmware update, you can select a time for the firmware update for your device. And your setup is done. So this is how you unbox and set up the Tapo C110 camera.